If your AI-generated content sounds like a robot, it's probably killing your sales. But don't worry. I'm about to show you the human touch that turns bland AI content into a powerful moneymaker. Mistake number 3 is one of the most expensive, and it's costing creators thousands. You're relying on AI to do all the work. Blog posts, social content, emails, fully automated. But then you're confused when nobody buys. The truth is simple. People buy from people, not robots. Take John, for example. He used AI to write 100 cold emails and got a miserable 0.2% response rate. Then he tried something new. He let AI do the research, but added personal touches himself. His new response rate? A game-changing 23%. Same AI, different outcome. Here's what's going on. People can instantly tell when content is 100% AI. No personality means no trust, and no sales. AI-only content feels cold, generic, and fake. And worst of all, everyone else is doing the same thing. So you end up blending in instead of standing out. The winning formula? AI plus human equals profit. Let AI handle the drafting. You step in to personalize. Use AI for research, and you build the relationships. Let AI move fast. You bring the soul. Just look at Lisa. She used to sell AI content for $5. Now she's a $2,000 social media strategist, using the same tools, but with a human-first strategy. Same skills, better positioning. Before you publish anything AI-generated, ask yourself, does this sound like me? If the answer is no, tweak it. Add your voice, your story, your point of view. Don't just make it accurate, make it human. If this hit home, drop human touch in the comments. And stick around,